Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Tiny Glade game save files not loading. Now guys, the first solution is verify integrity of game files. So first open up your Steam library, then just click on your Tiny Glade game, then just click on the gear icon, go to your game properties, then go to the install files, then click on the verify integrity of game files, then just launch the game, then see your problem is fixed or not. Now if this does not fix your issue, the next solution is check autosave feature. This game primarily uses an autosave feature similar to the Minecraft. It saves your progress automatically after certain actions. So make sure you are looking in the correct place to load your game. Navigate to the load menu and scroll through your saved games. The solution I will recommend is to run your game as an administrator. So go to your game installation folder and right click on your game launcher. Then go to the properties and then go to the compatibility and just check the box of the run as administrator, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now the second solution is assess save file location. Ensure that your game files are in the correct directory. You can typically find them in the following path on Windows, which is this. So you can just go to this location and see your game save files is there or not. Now confirm that your save files are present in this location. Now the third solution is cloud syncing issues. If you are using Steam Cloud, there might the syncing issues. Try disabling cloud saves temporarily to see if that resolves the loading problems. Now open up your Steam, then click on the Steam option you are seeing on the top, then just go to your Steam settings. Now here you have to simply look for the cloud, then just click on the cloud. Now here you will see the enable Steam Cloud, then just uncheck this. Once you uncheck this, then just restart your PC, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now the fourth solution to fix this problem is game updates. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version, as patches often fix bugs related to save files. Now you can also try this fix. And the fifth solution to fix this problem is reinstall the game. As a last resort, consider reinstalling the game. This can resolve corrupted files that may be causing the save issues. Now I hope one of the solution fix your problem, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.